Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Candice here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, while I answer your most common French questions. The question for this lesson is, what are some indispensable phrases and grammar structures for French learners? In this lesson, we're going to go over some phrases that will help you organize your thoughts. We're going to try to use phrases that don't need to be conjugated so that you can use them even with unfamiliar verbs. First is ce que ou ce qui, c'est. This is a great construction to really hammer home your point. You're putting the result first and then the reason. For example, ce qui m'a stupéfié, c'est le manque de respect, which means what really shocked me was the lack of respect. Another form of this is le fait que, ça. This means the fact that, it's. An example is le fait qu'il savait, ça m'a choqué, meaning the fact that he knew, that shocked me. You already know the word pour to mean for, but it can also mean in order to. Just add an infinitive after pour for an easy way to say in order to. For example, on est allé au marché pour acheter du pain, meaning we went to the market in order to buy bread. Here are some ways to show causation. Grâce à, en raison de, and à cause de. Grâce à means thanks to. An example is grâce au podcast, je peux parler français. Meaning, thanks to podcasts, I can speak French. Grâce à shows appreciation. En raison de means because of. It's neutral compared to grâce à. An example is en raison des circonstances, je reste ici. Meaning, because of the circumstances, I'm staying here. À cause de has a negative connotation. À cause de lui, j'ai dû redoubler mes examens. Means, because of him, I had to redo my exams. En fait is often used at the beginning of sentences. It means in fact or actually. Notice that you pronounce the T. Bref is another common sentence starter. It means in short or long story short. Quand même means anyways though. You'll hear it all the time at the end of sentences and the beginning. An example is mais je suis allé avec lui quand même. Meaning, but I went with him anyways. Or oui, mais quand même. Meaning, yes, but still. The next phrase should only be used in conversation, but it can be very useful. It's, tu vois ce que je veux dire? Meaning, do you get what I mean? French people use this all the time to make sure that another person is following what they are saying. For French learners, it's a great way to make sure what you've said actually makes sense. And that's it. Try using these phrases. They will help you sound more fluent and they will also help organize your thoughts. Do you have any more questions? Please leave them in the comments below and I try to answer them. À bientôt. See you soon.